of the Kapinpin Brothers collection. This is in fact a birthday celebration for Sir Gavin. Pwede kong bubang ma-invite lahat. Tumayo ngayon! Stand up, everybody! Let us all stand up right now. And we're going to sing the happy birthday song twice. One slow and one fast. And alam kong may mikropono ako ngayon, pero kailangan yung boses nyo ang maririnig ko. I think we're ready, Maestro. Play that music, everybody, hands up! Let's sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time, lower that one. Let's go! Clap your hands! Make it louder, make it louder! Everybody clap your hands!
Thank you po, maraming. Ay! Thank you po. Saya-saya! Thank you po. Yung cake ko po, ang ano na ayun niyo! Ang mahal-mahal ang binili mo sa akin to. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Ang wish ko lang po ay sana mas maging masaya pa tayo araw-araw at matulog tayo na walang bigat ng loob. Maraming salamat po sa lahat at mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Thank you po.
Pwede po ba mag-take two tayo sa candle blowing?
Mamoy? Ano
Gusto ko lang po
Loses,
makuha yung reaction and yung photo opportunity lang po dito. Try lang natin.
Sir, baka quitis yan.
Baka po biglang mo ano yan. Ito na, sir, ito na. We are prepared, ladies and gentlemen. Special second edition po ng candle blowing ni Sir Gavin. Sir, close your eyes, make the biggest wish, and get ready to blow in 3, 2, 1! Clap your hands, everybody!
Nung biglo mo mali si Kuya.
Freeze! Everybody freeze! Stop the music. Ladies and gentlemen, habang nakatayo po tayong lahat, gagawa po tayo ng largest picture taking. Kapinpin Brothers, pwede po ba tayong pumaba po dito? Sama-sama.